Hi guys. So today we're going to be jumping into a brand that I haven't used in a while, if I'm going to be honest. This is the Covergirl True Blend, and we're going to be going in and trying the skin enhancer. This is the contour balm. I don't know how this is going to work. I'm actually kind of interested. This is the shade Defined. I already have my foundation on and set, so I'm interested to see how it goes on top of it. Let's look up some things. All right, this says, the True Blend Skin Enhancer Balm Contour Stick is a sculpting stick in cool toned contour shades that adds instant depth and dimension to your face by mimicking the look of natural shadows. Let's see, it says easy to control, mistake proof, doesn't crease or cake with 0 harsh lines. And it's also non-comedogenic, which is great, and it's dermatological. What's happening? I can't say it. Dermatology. It's tested by dermatologically tested. All right, let's do this. Really quick, hello, my name is Josie. If you have not been here before, hello again. I hope you will stay and hit that subscribe button to join the Glam Fam. I am Josie. I post videos on this channel all about lifestyle, beauty, SFX, honestly, anything to do in the beauty world, lifestyle world is my passion, and that's kind of what I love to focus on here. If you like this video, please give it a like. And let's jump into it. All right, so let's break this seal and pop it. Can't really smell anything. So you can see, guys, this is definitely a true contour shade. It is, well, I mean, I haven't applied it yet, so I'm not sure. But the color that it's showing right now is definitely more of a shadow shade instead of a bronzing shade. Which, if I'm being honest, I prefer for myself because sometimes the bronzing shades can be a little too warm-based for me. So let's go onto the back of our hand just so you can see what it looks like. Oh, that applied beautifully, and that is really pretty. Ooh, oh my god, it blended out so easily. Okay, all right, I'm excited. All right, let me find a brush to blend this out with. Okay, here we go. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to make this face, and right where we see that cheekbone connect to the shadow at our line or at our mouth is where we're going to place it. So start up here, right into that. Same thing on this side. Right into that. There we go. Okay, so then I'm gonna go here, just around the perimeter of my face. It doesn't feel like it's gonna mess my makeup up underneath it, but you know, I could be wrong. We're gonna go right here on the nose. And then we're gonna try something a little different. I'm gonna also blend this into my eyes. And I do this because when I'm contouring, I love having the same tone. If it's like an everyday makeup look, I love having the same tone all throughout my makeup. So let's go ahead and blend this out with circular motions. Oh, it's blending out beautifully. Oh, okay. All right, let's do it over here. I can tell you right now, it's not picking up my foundation, which is great. Let's go up here. Guys, that's really pretty. I'm gonna go in and deepen it just a little bit right in the back, just to really make my cheekbones pop. See, like, that is such a big difference. Let's blend that right where it is. We'll blend that literally in the same spot that we applied it so that that pigment stays where we've placed it. That's gorgeous, guys. That looks really good. All right, so now I'm just gonna go in and lightly blend out what we have. Oh my, it's blending so nicely, guys. I don't think you realize I have so much powder. Like, there's powder all over my face right now from setting my foundation. Oh, I just gave just a little like kiss. That's really pretty. Oh no, I fear this might be my new everyday contour. That looks so good, guys. It blended out so nicely. See, this is the biggest difference when it comes to contour and bronzer. Now, when you look at my face when it's blended out, all that did was create shadow. All it did was create a little bit of a shadow where we want the bone structure to pop a little bit more. Bronzing, yes, you can do it with that as well, but it's gonna give a whole different look. It's gonna give you like that sun-kissed look if you wanna be like more of a glowy, warm tone on the face. That is it is completely different from contouring the face. Contouring and bronzing, not the same, but you can use them in the same ways and get similar effects. But the way it's gonna look when you blend out a contour is gonna be, it's gonna be a little bit different when it comes to what it actually looks like. A bronzer looks like you've gotten some sun and it's giving you a little glow. Contour looks like you're reshaping your face. I hope that makes sense. All right, that's really pretty, guys. All right, so far, this is a 10 out of 10. It didn't lift any of my foundation up. It didn't patch where I had more powder on my face, which is actually really impressive when it comes to like a cream. You did that. That looks really good. I like this so much, I might do a TikTok on it. Okay, so let me go finish my makeup and I'll come back with my final thoughts. Hey guys, makeup is done. This is what it turned out like. I did a very natural makeup today. I really, really like it. I'm gonna have to give this a passing with flying colors. This is great, guys, especially for the price. Look at how nicely and natural it looks when you turn your head, but when you're looking straight on. See that shadow? It looks really good. It did not lift anywhere on my face and my foundation is still fully intact. I'm gonna give this a 10 out of 10 for me. Go try it out for yourself. Again, this is in the shade Defined, and I think it's literally perfect. Perfect. But other than that, that is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a like. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to become part of fam. I don't know why that was so hard to say. I'll see you guys in my next one. I love y'all. Bye! Mwah.